Hey, look, gang, all I'm gonna say is I'm surprised I was able to get my hands on one of these still at this point. Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and check this out, man. So I was able to get my hands on the Galaxy Home Mini that they didn't release in the United States or anywhere else, only in South Korea. So if y'all don't remember, Samsung was supposed to come out with the Galaxy Home Mini a little bit ago, but they never actually released it. They actually had a way bigger version of this, and then they never dropped that, and then they just kind of silently released this one. Except the thing is, I don't even think they released this one, because I think they was giving it away with some phone pre-orders or something like that, and then that was the last thing we heard about the Galaxy Home Mini. So basically, this is where we at right now with the Galaxy Home Mini, to the point where you can actually see some Korean text here to the side, so no English up on here. So yeah, we straight from Korea over here. So I found this on eBay. I think I paid like $80 or something like that, so I definitely overpaid because I feel like it was like 50 retail, like Korean, whatever that translates to the US dollars. But they had to go and do the whole Korean shipping and everything, and it came pretty quick, bro. I'm not gonna lie. So it came from DHL, and I think it took maybe 4 or 5 days or something, so that was cool. I'll go and drop a link down below if you want to go and get it, if it is still available. So if you actually want to go and grab it somewhere else, you can go and search on eBay, and it might be there. Anyway, let's go and check this out, man. I'm actually kind of geek for this. So we got Galaxy Home Mini, we got the Galaxy Home Mini itself, as you can see over here, and then we got a Samsung logo. Now here's the thing, I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna be able to pair this thing with my phone with SmartThings, just seeing that it's a whole Korean version, so we'll see. But it is powered by SmartThings. But anyway, we got Samsung Galaxy Home Mini powered by AKG, and then we got Galaxy Home Mini with some specs and all that stuff. So we got works with SmartThings, Bixby. So yeah, it do use Bixby. So Samsung had their own Bixby speaker, and then we just never got it, because not everybody like Bixby, I'm not gonna lie, but like I use Bixby though. Like I'm gonna just tell y'all right now. But we also got this over here, so let me go ahead and pull up Google Translate. Let me see what this translates to. All right, camera. Now let me go ahead and hit open camera. Oh, is this Google Lens? Yep, that's Google Lens. So let's go ahead and do this from Korean to English. All right, what we gonna get? Let me go ahead and see what my phone pulls up over here. So just some examples of basically what you can do. Call mom and then say play exciting music. So yeah, that's about it. All right, where are you at, legendary unboxing knife? All right, there you is. Let's go and get into this. All right, first time opening it up. Let's do it. And let's see, we got some text over here. So this basically like a quick start guide look like, so cool. With Bixby, Galaxy Home Mini, USB. Let's go ahead and see. Woo! Look at that right there, boy. Look at that right there. Oh snap. Oh snap, man. Look, this, I'm geek for this, man. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. There's like plastic all over this thing, man. But yep, there it is right there. So we got all fabric, we got some plastic, we got some rubber. Oh man, we looking decent right now. And we got, whoa, I didn't expect that, micro USB up out here. Look at that. This thing's a little bit old now, but it ain't that old to the point where we should be having micro USB up on here, man. Come on now. Also with these buttons, it don't seem like they're really clicky or nothing like that, so I think they're like touch capacitive at this point. And just to give y'all a comparison, we got the Galaxy Home Mini on the left side, and then we got the Google Mini here on the right side. So this is a newer version, and man, you can see it's dirty. It's been sitting on top of my dryer, but yeah, you can see Galaxy Home Mini's way bigger. Now let's go and see what's in the rest of the box, which it don't really look like nothing except for we got this. So quick start guide, you know we do with that. Wait, hold up, let me grab this. We throw it to the side as always. And then we got this box over here. So it look like we got some USB cables and stuff. So let's go ahead and just go ahead and open this. And here we go. So we have an international adapter, so I can't do nothing with this. But yeah, as you can see, obviously I live in the United States, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and get me a Samsung adapter to actually work out here. And then we got a USB-A to USB-C, it look like. Yep, that's it. Unraveling this, it seemed like a pretty long charger, so I don't think you're gonna have an issue with distance with this. Now let's do this, man. So I got a Samsung fast charge power adapter I just grabbed from my room. Let me go ahead and plug this in, and let me go and plug this in the wall. All right, bro, first time plugging it in. Wait, hold up. Actually, I think I should go ahead and flip the mic around. Hold on. All right, first time. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm plugging it in. Let's see. How do we get this in? Oh, wait, pause. All right, cool. Let's go and do it. Let's see. Hold on. All right, so it look like it's booting up. I'm gonna just give that a second to boot up there, and then we'll see what it do. Oh, snap. Hold on. You hear that?
반가워요. 빅스비예요. 설정을 시작해 볼까요?
Yeah.
먼저 휴대전화에서 스마트
Facts.
띵스 앱을
Facts.
열어주세요.
I agree.
혹시
For sure.
도움이 필요하면
On my mama.
스피커 오른쪽에 있는 액션 버튼을 눌러보세요.
God, I hope y'all know Korean. So obviously, I understand the look of what that just said, but we're gonna go and check in SmartThings and see if it pop up or not. Oh snap, look at that. I ain't even do nothing. So it just popped up automatically. We got Samsung Galaxy Home Mini. Let me go and click on add, and let's see, getting everything ready. So that's cool. So it looked like it do work then. Galaxy Home Mini, let's go and click on start, and we should be able to change the language later. So let's go ahead and choose something like my room, and let's go ahead and see, where's my room at? Bedroom. Nope, that's bathroom. Bedroom, next. Let's see, getting your Galaxy Home Mini ready. All right, so just spinning that around. Let's go ahead and agree to everything. So I'm signing my life away, so cool. I went ahead and connected to my Wi-Fi, so I got Wi-Fi 6E. I don't know if that's gonna mess with it or not, but we're gonna have to see. And like I said, man, I'm geek, so I want to see what Samsung was supposed to come out with, but they just didn't.
안녕하세요. 좋은 아침이네요.
Uh-oh, wait, so it says Bixby voice will send your data to provide the capsule service as below. So none of these I really use, so I'm gonna just go ahead and skip that. And all right, so a lot of these just Korean services that I can't do nothing with. I guess I'll go ahead and just hit flow or something. It's looking like it's making me sign up for one of these services, but I can't do, okay, never mind, skip. All right, cool. So let's go and click on skip, okay. And Galaxy Home Mini, there we go, so we set up, cool.
당신이 좋아하는 음악을 틀거나 오늘 날씨를
What is
알려주고
saying?
알람을 맞출 수 있어요. 또 스마트 싱스 디바이스를 컨트롤하는 것도 가능해요. 이제 필요할 땐 언제든 하이 빅스비라고 불러보세요.
No idea what it just said. Look like I got an update though. Let's go and do that then. So I got it updated, and we do got an option for language and voice style. So let me go and click on that and see if we got English. And all right, nope, it don't look like we, wait, hold up. We might. And snap, we might not. So I'm trying to click on language, and it's not doing nothing for me right now. So we might only have voice styles. That would be an L, man. Let me go and see if there's some other YouTube videos in this thing and see if they went ahead and changed the language or not. All right, so it's been a couple days, and I hope my audio sound good, because I actually got my Sennheiser connected to the Rode wireless mic right now, so I never really tried this before. Apparently, there's literally no way that you can take this out Korean. But I do have an idea, so I want to go and try using Google Translate to see if we can use it that way. I know this is mad ghetto, but I don't know a lick of Korean, so what else are we gonna do? All right, I don't have no Korean friends or nothing. So let me go and turn this thing up all the way, and I hope this do sound good, because I do got a microphone right next to this thing. So let's do it, bro. What I'm gonna go and do is I'm gonna use my Galaxy tab over here to go ahead and talk to the Galaxy Home Mini, and I'm gonna go and use my Fold over here to translate what it says. So all right, bet, let's go and do it. So in order to go and get this thing to activate without going ahead and telling it the hi Bixby words, you gotta go and hold on to this button. So we're gonna go and do that. So let's try it out then.
서울 날씨는 어때?
현재 중구 태평로 일가는 대체로 흐리고 오후 6시쯤 비 소식이 있네요. 최저 기온은 4도, 최고 기온은 16도로 예상됩니다. 현재 기온은 5도이고 미세먼지는 좋음, 초미세먼지는 보통이에요. 차츰 기온 올라 낮 동안 따뜻한 하루, 오늘 비 소식 있으니 우산 챙기세요.
All right, what that say? Currently, it is mostly cloudy and there's rain expected around 6 p.m. The lowest temperature, whatever. So, all right, so cool. It do work. So, all right, that's pretty dope, actually. I'm not gonna lie. So I typed in there, what do you think about iPhone? Because I got to, right? It's Bixby. So let me go and try that out too then.
아이폰에 대해 어떻게 생각하시나요?
이미 마음에 쏙 드는 휴대폰이 있어 생각해 본 적 없어요.
I never even thought about it because I already have a phone that I like. Damn, Bixby, go off then. I said, can you speak English?
영어를 할 수 있나요?
지원되지 않는 기능이네요.
She said, yes, it is a feature that is not supported. Damn, so there you go. It says it right there. Now, I got a good question. Do it work with my SmartThings devices? So I'm gonna go and see if I can control my lights or not. So I just told it, turn off the lights.
조명을 꺼주세요.
So I don't know what just happened. It was spinning and then it just stopped. So I don't know what's good with it. So I reworded it to turn off the basement lights then.
지하실 조명을 꺼주세요.
네, 알겠어요.
Oh snap! It did it, bro. It's actually turned off the lights. Wait, hold up. Let me go and turn off these studio lights real quick. You can see it turned off the basement lights, man. So it did its thing. And it said, yes, got it. Let me go and turn on the basement lights again then.
지하실 조명을 켜주세요.
네,
Woo!
알겠어요.
Okay, I see you, Bixby. Okay, so it did work then. That's cool then. It said, okay. I don't know. Okay, maybe that was just picking it up for me. I don't know. But all right, that was pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie. So I didn't expect that to work. I don't know why. Maybe because it's in Korea, but it did work. So cool. But I mean, like, there's Americans that know Korea, right? So, I mean, I don't know why I'm too surprised. But like I said, also it's a speaker meant for the Korean market, but it's connected to the internet, so it should work though. Now, if I go over here to the SmartThings app, and if I go ahead and click on this speaker, there is an option to go ahead and turn it into a Bluetooth speaker. So if I go over here to the settings, I go to settings right there. use as Bluetooth speaker, and I can just go ahead and use my Z405 right there. So now let's go and try this thing out. I never even heard it for myself, but we're gonna try it out together. So let's go and turn the volume up all the way, which I can control from my phone, so that's cool. So this is max volume right here. I know you can't really tell that much just listening through a microphone, but I'm doing it anyway, so fuck it. Okay, I'm underwhelmed, I'm not gonna lie, because I think that Google do sound better, but not the worst, not the worst. So yeah, to be honest, bro, like the clarity is just like, it's all right, it's cool. It's not the best I ever heard, but it's cool. Also for that bass, the bass ain't really hitting for real though. So now, you know what? I'm gonna go and do it anyway. So let me go and grab my Google Nest speaker real quick. Look, bro, for the size of this thing, you will be surprised how much this thing can put out. You see what I mean? Well, maybe you can't see what I mean, but here's the thing. So it actually got more bass. I don't think it's louder, but it do got more bass up in there. So yeah. And as I showed y'all earlier, look at the size difference between these two. The volume's all the way up and everything, but just look at the size difference. So definitely bigger on the Bixby speaker or the Galaxy Home Mini. So with that being said, y'all, that's pretty much all I can think about with the Galaxy Home Mini. So let me know in the comments what else y'all want to see on this. Now here's the thing. When they was actually supposed to come out with this, it was supposed to cost around $80 to $100. So for $80 to $100, I don't know if it'll be worth it, but it could be. But at the same time, though, like if you look at Google, these are cheap too. If you offer that Galaxy ecosystem, and if you can speak Korean, then maybe I would recommend this. But if you don't speak Korean, obviously I don't see a point. I'm not finna go to Google Translate every time I want to just go and turn off my lights, and I'm not gonna learn Korean just for this speaker. I know English and I know un poco de español, so that's all I really need to know right now. But with that being said, man, appreciate y'all for coming through. If you like this video, go and give this video a like, and if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at Ecentech on Instagram and X, and Facebook, but Instagram and X are most active. And let me know, what do you think about the Galaxy Home Mini in the comments below? And do you speak Korean? Let me know in the comments below, please, because that would help a lot. I was trying to find somebody that I know that speak Korean in the YouTube realm, but I don't know nobody that speak Korean, so I tried my best, man. I just used Google Translate, and it worked out better than I thought, man. Y'all got y'all opinions about Bixby, but it is what it is. So I'm about to go and get up out of here, man. Whatever. Y'all be smooth. I'm gonna get up with y'all later. Peace out.
Production.